in coding, there's a popular website called LeetCode that helps you prepare for technical coding interviews. And when I first used it, I was surprised at something. They wouldn't just have, so on the website, they'll have different coding problems. And with these problems, instead of just having like a straight out solution to it, they have like a forum where you post your solutions. And I was kind of shocked by this. I was thinking, what's the point of everyone submitting their solution? Why not just have one solution for all these problems? And like, why when there's one solution working, why would they keep posting new solutions to it when there's already a solution on there? And it really opened up my eyes of the nature of coding and how coding is constantly evolving, and not just evolving, it's like an art form. There's like many ways you can come up with the same solution, even with a narrow focus on a problem, not like a full-on application, just like a road problem, but for code. People will come up with different ways of solving it. And that's what's cool about coding, because you can think of so many different ways to solve a problem, and no developers comes up with the same solution for a problem practically, and especially once the problem's at a bigger scale. And it shows that code can always be improved. You can always improve on what someone else posted before and use that, what someone else submitted for their solution, to improve on it, to make it better. And that's why there keeps having more solutions, even though there's already a good solution on it. And that's why also there's no one solution for each LeetCode problem. There's like a list of solutions that you can study from, that you can pick from, and each of them has their own benefits, has their own trade-offs that you can use. And through experience, you can see how coding can be improved. You can see how things impact other code, and by using this experience, you can improve with what you already have. And this lesson I also learned this lesson from my personal experience when I was doing the coding bootcamp. Well, when I redid my coding bootcamp. So after I finished my coding bootcamp, I redid all the coding problems, all the assignments, the projects. And at first, I didn't want to do it. I thought I already completed these problems, these projects. Why would I do it again? And my mentor said that's what he did to really grasp the concepts, and I finally did it. And by just approaching it a second time, I was able to make improvements on the code, even though I did the project before it. And it felt like I was doing these problems with a new set of eyes. So with experience, by doing more coding, you can constantly improve, make things better. You kind of have your personality with it too. And then so you should apply this principle of like constant improvement to any endeavor you want. The more times you do something, you get experience, and you use it to shape whatever you're doing next time. So by constantly putting in the work, constantly putting effort, you'll get better. And by keep coding more, keep doing whatever you want to do, you'll get better at it, and then you'll achieve your goals. You get hired as a developer. You'll get more of a result for whatever your endeavor is. So that's all I wanted to share with you today, the concept of constantly improving. You can constantly improve your code and constantly improve everything, all the aspects of your life. My name's David, and I'm a freelance web developer. So if you need help building out a website, a web app, you need coding help, you need help learning how to code, I can help you with all those needs. Just message me and I can see how I can help you. Thank you so much.